I'm here at the NASDAQ here in Times Square, waiting for my coworkers before we go inside to film some content. Even saying that out loud sounds surreal to me. Like, whether or not filming at the NASDAQ sounds dope to you or super boring, which is fair, the point that I'm trying to make is that this, me with a camera creating stuff, all started as a photography business. Like shooting portraits of people. What in the world is a photographer from Portland, Oregon even doing out here? Well, when we rewind roughly 7 to 8 years, I can actually connect the dots from those early days in 2017 and 2018. Every opportunity I took advantage of, the network I built, when I was forced to pivot creatively during the pandemic, when I was making YouTube videos that frankly weren't getting many views, at least in the beginning. All of that was me trusting the creative process as much as I could, every step of the way. Some days, and honestly some seasons, were tougher than others, that's for sure. But I think I've given permission to my creative work, my efforts, and even my periods of rest to guide me. Like, yes, I'm the one driving and making the hard decisions, but sometimes the road reveals itself only as you keep moving forward, if that makes sense. And I think now, as a salaried content creator and video editor in New York City, I don't think this is a bad position to be in. And I'm an example of how trusting the process can take you places that you never even thought was possible. I'm really curious where I'll be in another 7 to 8 years. I'll be 40 years old. Let's forget about that for now. Anyways, I'll link the Brew Markets content we end up filming here in the description below so you can see what we end up creating, and I'll see you guys in the next video.